Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. So if you are try to set your Face ID on your iPhone and you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that your iPhone is up to date. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to Apple ID, and after that you have to scroll it down until you go to general, and here you have to check for software update, and you have to check whether your iPhone is up to date or not. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you can simply go for transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply reset all your settings, which means you have to make sure that all of your network has been reset. And after resetting all of your settings, and you have to check whether your Face ID is available now or not. If the Face ID is still not available, then you have to simply close all the pages and you have to again click on settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessibility. And here what you have to do, you have to click on Face ID attention, and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned on, which means required attention for Face ID. And you can also click on um, allow attention aware feature. In this way you can simply use the Face IDs securely. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to go back and you have to click on Face ID and passcode. And after that, you have to make sure that all of your Face ID toggle has been turned on. If this is not working for you, then you can simply click on reset Face ID, and you can simply reset all of your Face IDs. And after that, you can simply set up a new Face ID for yourself. And in this way you can simply solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.